Alright, this is Braden Magliolo, and for this physics bonus point project, we are solving a problem where two balls collide with each other on a track in an elastic collision. One ball has a mass of 10 kilograms and an initial velocity of 8 meters per second. The second ball has a mass of 12 kilograms and an initial velocity of 12 meters per second. If the centripetal force after this collision is 500 newtons, what's the radius of this track? The first step to solving this is write out for ball 1 and ball 2, write down their mass, and their initial velocity. Then with that, we have to find W, and you get W by putting your initial velocity. So for ball 1, it'd be 8 meters per second, equal to the radius times W. Then you just divide, put the 8 over the R, that gives you your W. Do the same thing for ball 2. Then now that you have your W, you're going to be using the point mass formula to solve for the conservation of angular momentum. So what you do is you take that equation. So for ball 1, it'd be 8 times R squared. You also multiply by the W, so it'll be 8 over R. Then you add for ball 2, where it becomes 12 multiplied by R squared times 12 over R. And that, since it becomes an inelastic collision, so both balls move together as one after that, the mass is going to jump up to 20 kilograms. Keep the radius, and we're solving for the W at this moment. All right, so after this, you can cancel out the R at the bottom for each of these. I'm sorry, it's going to be VT over R instead of just that W right there. So you can cancel out the R on this side right there. You take out the R squared too. And while you're at it, you can just cancel out the rest of the R's. And now that you're able to solve for VT final after the collision, you just plug the numbers into your calculator. Then you add these two numbers together to get 208 equals 20 VTF. And the VT final after the collision goes to 10.4 meters per second. Alright, so what you do after this step is that you bring this VTF to the circular motion equation for acceleration, which is VT squared R. So you take that AC equals 10.4 squared, put that over R, and that's your AC. You can just leave it like that for right now. And now you can get your FC, which is 500 newtons. So it's going to be 500 newtons equals the mass, which is now 20, which is 20 times 10.4 squared divided by radius. And now just plug these numbers right here into the calculator. You get 2163.2 over R equals 500. Then you shuffle around a little bit, you get 500 R equals 2163.2. Then you divide the 500 into the 2163.2, and that gives you the radius, which is 4.3264 meters. And that's it.